Hey crafters. Well, I am back with another hashtag Christmas 365, or can't remember, or is it hashtag 365 Christmas? I'm sorry, I can't remember. But this video is about getting ahead on our Christmas creations and getting our cards ready, tags ready, mini albums, boxes, whatever we're making is to get it ready for the holiday season rather than rushing at the end of the year. So I made a couple of cards, and my purpose in doing this was to use a couple of things that I haven't used in the past, and some of these are by Queen and Company, the shaker kits and the collections, and then I used some green sparkle paper or glitter paper from Tonic. So a lot of these are from all different places from my stash, but the main images and the background days here are all from Queen and Company. And so this first one is our Santa, and the die that cut this out is from Queen and Company as well, along with these. And these are just some gems that I had in my stash, and the paper is from Queen and Company, and the stamp is from them as well, but the ink is from Concord and Ninth. I used some of that. And this one, yep, I did do a little decorating on the inside, but I'm going to do the stamps on the inside later, or I may not even do a stamp. So, and I filled that with some of the beads from Queen and Company that come with the collection. So I think that turned out pretty cute. And then we have another one that has the star shaker. Again, the ribbon from the die, and I took a piece of twine from my collection. The other thing that I used was, oh my gosh, why am I like blanking on the background? I used the die, or I can't think of it. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, it is a white brick wall that made the white paper look like a brick wall in the back. And then I took for some of the dies from Queen and Company, and I made this wreath in the back and added some of my own red gems and put some of the shaker bits inside that one as well. I think it turned out pretty cute. And then this one is one of my favorites with the hot cocoa cup and some of the candy canes back here. Again, the ribbon. And then these are some gems from Queen and Company as well. Paper and dies were all Queen and Company dies. The only thing, I'm not sure there's anything on here that isn't from Queen and Company, because all the dies are as well. But I thought it made a really cute little card, and it can be used at Christmas, or it can also be just something sent in, January, February, March, because it's hot cocoa mugs and warm winter hugs. I thought that was really cute. So, and then this one is not a Queen and Company die. This is actually a Hero Arts die, and I wanted to use it to see how it would work on a card. And so there's some of the fronds from the from the tree that come up, and then I took a little bit of my Nouveau drops, and the Nouveau, let's see what they're called. This is the Nouveau drop I used. It is called glitter drops. So I did a little bit of glitter drops, and it takes on actually the green color in the background. And then I did some of the glitter drops throughout here, and I used the yellow glitter drops. I think it's a yellow glitter as well. If I can see the name, yes, it's a yellow glitter drop. I put some of that on top of the star on here. This die on this topper is from Hero Arts as well. This die that I used around here is a die in my stash, but the paper is all Queen and Company, except for this green back here. This is a piece of my solid Country Craft Creations cardstock, artisan cardstock I used as a base for that. And that's another card that I got for Christmas. And then we've got this fun one that with the paper from Queen and Company. Again, the ornament is a shaker piece with the bow on it, and this is the sentiment die from them as well. This was a die. It actually made a banner on here, and so I did all those cutouts and put some of the candy pieces inside that. I thought it turned out really nice. This is again this cardstock, or this glitter cardstock, I believe is from Brutus Monroe, this green one. So just all different pieces just to kind of pull it together. Thought that one turned out nice as well. And my final card, which is probably one of my favorites. I'm not sure if you can see everything real clear because it's so shiny, but I like it because of the poinsettias and the branches coming off of those. But basically this is a Queen and Company die again, with the beads inside and background and stamp and dies, and even the bling in here. These are all from Queen and Company as well. So I have enough kits and things by Queen and Company to keep me in cards for a long time. So I'm happy that I finally used some, and I love them so much. I continue to buy the sets, but I don't use them because I get involved in other projects. So I thought this turned out very, very pretty for a Christmas card, and very happy with that. So I did 6 cards today. I don't send out a lot of cards at Christmas, so I'm getting to the point where I'm nearing what I'm going to need for Christmas and beyond, or maybe use as some gifts. But these are my cards for this time around. And next time I think I'm going to do some kind of other project, maybe even possibly some tags again for Christmas, or boxes or something like that. But I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the cards that I created, and follow some of the other designers down on underneath in the description box. There will be their links to go to their channels to follow along. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas in July. Bye.